You may have heard this many times in the news. So many millimeters of rain fell in this area. So many millimeters in that area. But how exactly is rain measured? We know how to measure other things, like sugar or rice in kilograms, oil or milk in liters, bananas in dozens, distance in kilometers. But rain? How do we measure rain? It falls anywhere, in any way. It flows away, seeps into the ground. But man has also invented a device to measure rain as well. It's called a rain gauge. A rain gauge is a tall, cylindrical container with markings in millimeters and centimeters. In fact, making a rain gauge is very easy. You can easily make one yourself, right at home. So what are you waiting for? Look it up in books or on the internet. Use things available around you to make a rain gauge. Learn how to measure rain with it. Make a video of measuring rain and send it to us.